morning. Say good morning, ma'am. Good morning. How are you all? Say I am fine. Thank you, ma'am. Very good. How are you all? Say I am fine. Thank you, ma'am. Very good. So children, this is your English oral class. Okay, which class is this? This is your English oral class. So today we are going to recite a poem, two poems. Okay, and the name of the poem is Two Little Dicky Birds, and second poem name is Bits of Paper. Okay, आज हम two poem learn करेंगे. फर्स्ट पोम का नेम है आपका बिट्स ऑफ पेपर एंड द सेकेंड पोम का नाम क्या है आपका टू लिटिल डिकी बर्ड्स. ओके, यू हैव टू रिपीट विथ मी. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट पोम बिट्स ऑफ पेपर. स्टैंड अप ऑल ऑफ यू. नाउ डू विथ मी. Bits of paper, bits of paper. Do like this, everyone. Bits of paper, bits of paper. Repeat also. Lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Very good. Repeat. Bits of paper, bits of paper. Lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Very good. Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Very good. Pick them up, pick them up. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Repeat. Say. Bits of paper, bits of paper. Bits of paper, bits of paper. Lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Very good. Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Next, pick them up, pick them up. Very good. Clap for everyone. Okay, now second poem, Two Little Dicky Birds. Okay, now start. Two little dicky birds, two little dicky birds. Repeat with me, everyone. Two little dicky birds. Very good. Sat upon a wall. Sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Very good. Fly away, Peter. Say, fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Say, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Say, come back, Paul. Very good. Now one more time. Two little dicky birds. Say, two little dicky birds. Sat upon a wall. Do you like this, everyone? Sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back Paul. Now repeat once again, okay? Now starting the first one, bits of paper, okay? Bits of paper, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Next, pick them up, pick them up. Very good. Next one, two little birds. Now start. Two little dicky birds, two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, one named Peter, other named Paul, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Say, come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Very good. Clap for everyone. You have to learn it these poem. Okay? आपको ये 2 poem क्या करनी है? Learn करनी है. Okay? Exams में आएंगे आपकी. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.